Struggling to get eyes on your blog? In the next 90 seconds, I'll show you how to get traffic on your blog without burning out. Here's the truth. Publishing post after post isn't enough. If your blog feels invisible, you're not alone. Thousands of bloggers quit too soon because they don't know the real growth tactics. But today, you'll learn the exact steps to attract readers, rank higher, and finally see your traffic graph climb up. First, choose topics people actually search for, not just what you feel like writing. Use Google's People Also Ask and trending searches to find hidden gems. Second, optimize your posts. Clear titles, headings, fast loading speed, and links to your other articles. Small fixes make a huge difference in search visibility. Third, don't wait for readers to find you. Share every post strategically. Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, and yes, build an email list so your readers come back again and again. What really works is consistency. It's better to publish one powerful, well-promoted article a week than 10 forgotten posts. Refresh old content, repurpose it into short videos or carousels, and suddenly one blog post becomes 5 pieces of content driving traffic from everywhere. So, if you're serious about growing, stop guessing and start using these methods today. Drop a comment with your blog niche below. I'll reply with a custom traffic idea for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more bloggers can finally get the traffic they deserve.